Welcome to the class of science. With me here, your teacher, Mr. Honest. Okay, so we are going to go through this examination question that we have on the chalkboard, and this is science paper 1, physics. Okay, can you pay attention so that we can move together? Figure below shows an instrument used in industry by scientists and engineers. Okay, so this is the diagram which they are trying to tell us in that statement. So now, down here we have questions. Okay, A, name the instrument shown in the figure above. This instrument, what is this instrument? Then B, what physical quantity is measured by this instrument? What physical quantity? Okay. Then C, what is the reading on this instrument? The reading. Okay, so we are going to start with the 1, which is the 1A. Okay. So A, we come first of all, we write solution. Okay, solutions. Name the instrument shown in the figure above. Okay, so this instrument, when you look at it, this is micrometer, screw gauge. And remember, we are still on measurements and the quantities. That is what we are looking at. So all these questions are coming from that same topic. Okay, so this is micrometer, screw gauge. So this instrument is called micrometer, screw gauge. Okay, so this is micrometer, screw gauge. So micrometer, screw gauge has got 2 scales. Okay, the movable one, which is the thimble scale, this one. Then we also have the sleeve scale, which is the fixed scale. Okay, so once you see this, just know that this is the micrometer, screw gauge. Don't forget, this is an examination question, so this is how exam comes. Okay, so now we go to the next one. B, what physical quantity is measured by this instrument? The physical quantity measured by micrometer, screw gauge is the length. So you don't have to waste much time there. Length. Okay? So the physical quantity is what? Length. Then C, what is the reading on this instrument? Now, how can we read micrometer, screw gauge? How do they read the micrometer, screw gauge? So the way we read micrometer, screw gauge, first of all, we start with the swivel scale. So as I said, micrometer, screw gauge has got 2 different types of what? Scales. So there is the slip scale and the thimble scale. Okay. So we are going to look at the figures that were given. Are they in millimeters? So these are in millimeters. So I have not indicated. They are in millimeters. Okay. They are in millimeters. Okay. So now from there, we are coming to slip scale. So first of all, you have to start with the slip what? Slip scale. So slip scale, always, the way we measure, you are going to see the last number here that we have is 4. So you are going to get that 4. Okay. That's the leading. Plus the half. This half, okay, which is 0.5. Always on this slip scale. So first of all, we have to read slip scale, which is 4 plus 0.5. The 0.5 is coming from this half, okay, down here. Okay, so that is 0.5. Because from here to there, it's half. From there to there, half. So we just get the 0.5. So when we add this, 4 plus 0.5, the answer that we are going to get is 4.5 millimeters. So this is the slip what? Scale. Because the first thing that you are supposed to do is to read the slip scale. Then from there, you go to the last part of the scale, which is thimble scale. So now, thimble scale, which is the paper one. How do we read thimble scale? Thimble scale, you are going to look at the figure that you have. we have this line which is actually intercepting. You have seen this line which is going straight. That is where your reading is going to end from. Okay, so you have 25 there. Okay, so this is 25. Then you are going to say 26, 27, 20 what? 28. That is where you are going to end from. This is a demarcation, the line which goes straight. Okay, so this is 28. So now, when you say 28, when you are in millimeters, you have to multiply that 28 by what? Times 0.01 always. When you are in millimeters, say 28, the reading that you are going to get times 0.01. Okay, that is the standard. Then if it is in centimeters, the numbers are in centimeters, you have to say 28 times 0.001. You should not forget that concept. Very, very important. So now, from there now, what answer are we going to get? So the answer that we are going to get here is 0.28. Okay? When we multiply 28 times 0.01, the answer will be 0.28. So now, the final reading is going to be slip scale plus thimble scale. Okay, so now that we have the slip scale is 4.5 millimeters, so we are going to say 4.5. Then plus the thimble scale is what? Thimble scale is 0.028. Okay, so let's try to add this and see the answer that you are going to get. So we are going to say 4.5 at 0.28 plus. Okay, so we are going to put a 0 there. Here we are going to have 8, then here 7.4 plus 0 is 4. Okay, millimeters. So this is the reading of the diagram that we are given here. This is how we read the micrometer screw gauge. Thank you so very much for your attention. Can you continue paying attention and actually go through this lesson bit by bit so that you understand? Thank you so very much. See you in the next lesson.